Hello children, welcome to Standard 3 Language, Lesson 6, Nouns Belonging. Take out your Collins English Grammar and Composition Standard 3 book. Turn to page number 32. Nouns Belonging. It shows the relationship of belonging of something and another. We also called it a possessive noun. What is a possessive noun? A possessive noun is a noun that possesses something. It signifies ownership. Example, the boy's pencil snapped in half. Whose pencil I am talking about? I am talking about the boy's pencil. In most cases, a possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe plus s to the noun. First, let us look in the rule how we can show the possession or belonging. Possessive nouns, general rule we will see here. Rule 1, to show possession of singular nouns, add apostrophe s. Example, leaf, leaf. So here the word is not ending with s, it's a singular noun. So what we have to do? We have to add apostrophe s. Here you see class. Class is also singular noun, but it's ending with s. In here we will also add apostrophe s. Class, then apostrophe s. Student, if it is a name of a person and in a singular form ends in s, like Tejas, remember that Tejas, you will not add apostrophe s, you will add only apostrophe Tejas. But if the name is Tom, then you will add apostrophe plus s apostrophe s. Now we will follow the rule 2. To show possession of plural nouns not ending in s, add apostrophe s. When there is a plural noun and which does not end with s, we will add apostrophe s, like women, possession, women's, apostrophe s, children, children's, apostrophe s. Rule 3. To show possession of plural nouns ending in s, add only apostrophe. Example, leaves, plural noun. After writing the leaves, you only add apostrophe. Then classes, only apostrophe. These 3 rules, if you will follow, then you can show the belonging or possession of something with another. Student, let's get started. Complete the conversation between Neeta and her mother as they look at an album of photos. Use the words in the box. There are words in the box, Mina's, Mina aunties, Mina's. Here Neeta and her mother, they are watching a big album, looking at the album of photos, and we have to complete their sentences. First, Neeta is asking, who is this? Mother. This is my friend Mina's mother. Here see, Mina's, possession. Whose mother? Mina's mother. Neeta, is that Mina auntie's sister? Then mother, yes, that is her sister. Mina's hair is so long in the photo. Neeta, yes, it is. Did you see that apostrophe used after the nouns Mina and auntie? Look at these sentences. Mr. Pathak's armchair is brown in color. Whose armchair? Whose the armchair is belonging to whom? The armchair is belonging to Mr. Pathak. So for possession, what we have done? Mr. Pathak. Then we have add apostrophe s. Charlie's teacher lives in Goa. Whose teacher? Charlie's teacher. The person who teaches Charlie. We add an apostrophe s after singular noun to show something belongs to someone. We also use it to show that something is related to another thing. Always remember, student, apostrophe s rules, which I have already taught you. And here are the belongingness, how we can use by adding apostrophe s and apostrophe. Example, you see, this is Raj's bat. This bat belongs to whom? Belongs to Raj. This is Sam's school. This is the school where Sam studies. We add only an apostrophe for plural nouns which ends with s. The soldiers, here you see soldiers plural. After that we have add apostrophe, uniform are green in color. Then the trucks, apostrophe after s we have add. Wheels are very big. The trucks wheels are very big. So student, this is your part 1 video, and in the part 2 video I will give you the exercises to be done. Till then you will learn all the things which I have teach you today. Okay, and where to use the apostrophe s you will see and learn. Till then, take care. Bye bye.